A little bit of variation today on the Car and Train channel. I want to show you some soda machines. And this is a museum of the soda fountain here in Columbus, Indiana. And I think that they are all a beauty. So this store is showing off all those machines, and they are really beautiful. You have also some coin piano. Yeah, I'm sorry. An old bar counter. So this company had offices in Freiburg, in Bregau, in Germany, and in New York, which was a typical German immigration with the backing of Germany and to try to venture in the United States, mostly the 19th century. Some nice period photos.
ZaHarako's. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for watching this unique video about a different topic than the usuals on Car and Train.